Hey everybody, I was gifted this by the brand Curlaky, and I'm going to tell you all that you need to know about the installation and assembly of it.
All right, for this Curlaky cabinet, the installation took me about 1 hour to do. I did not use any electric tools, although I could have used an electric drill if I wanted to. It did come with a screwdriver, but I chose to use my own instead. Additionally, this did come with styrofoam wrap all around it, but it wasn't very flaky or dirty. I've had a lot of other packages where they just got all over the place, but this wasn't that bad. And I also did not notice any strange odors. It seemed to be odorless, which I loved. Now, as you see, I've been putting together this frame step by step. The instructions were very simple and easy to follow, and I was able to do all of this by myself. I put together a lot of different furniture, but this one seemed very convenient and easy to do, and I could tell that they took a lot of thought and care in how they put this together, and they thought through the customer experience. So I have a lot of confidence that others will be able to do this as well. Now, once I had everything put together in terms of the outer shell, I then put this drawer together, and you can see it went together really well. I love that back support that it had there because I know it's going to help give support to any items that I have in the drawer, which is just important to me. I want to make sure that they last well. And then I absolutely love the design of these hingeless cupboards. It just made them go on very easily.
So honestly, if you're looking for a solid and great looking buffet cabinet of your own, look no further. I definitely recommend this one.